Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your installed programs using just one command in CMD. First, click on the Windows icon and type CMD. Open the command prompt. Then, enter the command that I'll leave for you in the description below and press Enter. Wait a few moments, and you'll see a list of applications that need updates. Just let the process run, and whenever you're asked to confirm, simply approve it. And that's it. Your programs will be updated easily and automatically.